Hey everybody, I got another package to unwrap right here. And let's see what it is. Alright. This alarm is kind of heavy. Oh, wow. It's a Wheelock 7002T. It's got the horn on the. It's got the red transformer on the back. It's got the little hammer that pulses the horn. It's a horn strobe. That's all I gotta say. And it's kind of heavy too. And the horn is made of metal, and it's a red 7002T. So this is a normal 7002T. It takes 12 volts DC. You can use 24 volts on it, I believe, if you want. So, and there you go, guys. Here's the back of the Wheelock 7002T 2012. So I got a Wheelock 7002T. Yep. I have a Wheelock 7002T. It's a pretty heavy alarm. It's kind of heavy. Really nice alarm, surprisingly. Yep. Here it is, guys. Wheelock 7002T. Pretty cool. Alright. Thank you very much, guys. And that's it.